I thought you were going to pretend to snore. Are you going to be an actor? I thought you wanted a video to hear yourself snore.
I wanted a phone.
This is Mama's phone. And it's recording a video.
They make me laugh sometimes.
Your snores? I can assure you that's not what you actually sound like when you snore. You actually have a cute snore. It's not weird and obnoxious like you're trying to hunt up a hairball.
Hairball? What's a hairball?
The not so pleasant surprises that Stubbs leaves behind sometimes. You really are silly.
Now see if I have snores in it. Let's see.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, like now you want to see the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't wait to watch it.